Hi everyone, it's Shell with Little Acres Creations and welcome back to the Valentine series. Today I am using Pigments of Imagination stamp set that is available at littleacrescreations.com. So all of the cards that I am making during this series are going to Cards from the Heart card drive, and you can look below for a link to more information. Now, the first thing I'm doing is I am cutting out these cute little pigs that I colored using Copic markers. However, the videos that I used while I colored this, I lost it. So, but you kind of get the gist of it. I just used two different colors of pink and a little bit of a brown, and I just kind of colored them, really without any rhyme or reason. It's just two cute little pink pigs. So I am making 4 cards today, and hopefully I'll have a huge stash to mail to Summer. These cards need to be to her by the 31st, so I will be mailing them out at least by Saturday, maybe Thursday, just to make sure that they get there on time. And I am just fussy cutting these little guys out just to show you how I fussy cut them, because it's not that hard, but sometimes it's just a little bit tricky. So I just take my time. I sit and watch YouTube or a movie or something usually when I cut them out, but I just wanted to show you guys how I did that. And then I'm going to use a black pen, of course, and go around all of the edges, and just to make it look more like it was a perfect cutout. Now I am going to do some ink smushing. So I have the paper that I'm working on. I'm going to use some frayed burlap as well as some walnut stain distress inks. And I have just a piece of clear packing that came off my stamps. So I'm going to just kind of smush those into my clear packing. I'm going to add some water, and then I'm going to add that to my card. Now I'm going to just use the walnut stain, and I really wanted some kind of more dimension, so I am going to just kind of use a paintbrush and splatter some more, I guess they're kind of like mud droplets all over the front of my card. So I thought that would make it look kind of like they were playing and they kind of jumped into the mud puddle. And I just kind of focused on the right-hand side on each of the cards. And then I went ahead and I grabbed the 2 little pigs and splattered just a little bit more onto them so that it looks like they kind of jumped in and mud went everywhere. So that was kind of my plan. And when I was showing Clint this, I said, "Isn't this pretty?" And he said, "No, it looks like mud." And I told him, good, because that's exactly what I was going for. So now I am using some of the red brick color, and I have like a light pink. I don't know if you guys can tell that or not, but I'm just going to kind of do the same thing in that I'm kind of covering this pink with this red because I wanted, just to add another bit of color. And later I'm going to come back after this is dry and I'm going to punch out a bunch of hearts, and those will also go on my card. And today I'm using some of my art glitter glue to put my card together. So this is my frame piece, and this is 5 1/4 by 4, and it's kind of like a pale pink, and this is going on my A2 size card base. And then the piece that I worked on was 3 3/4 by 5, and the one that I did the mud. That way we have just a small peak of the border. So, and then I'm going to pop up my 2 little pigs using some foam tape. And I thought this would be really great for kids because it's just a fun card, and I just really loved the look of it, and I just thought it was so sweet. So now I'm going back to my pink with red. I'm cutting out my hearts. You can tell that I've already used some of them. And I'm just going to put hearts going up and around. So you can see I'm kind of laying them out. I'm going to stick those down using some more of the art glitter glue. And then the front of the card will be complete. Now on the inside, I went to my stamp set, Bold Greetings, and I pulled out Valentine Greetings, and then I stamped that along with another one of the pigs from the Pigments of Imagination stamp set. And that was also lost. When I downloaded my video, I don't know what happened, but I think this turned out so cute. Sorry about the shade there, but Valentine Greetings and then the cute little pig. And I stamped that using picked raspberry. I kind of wanted a softer pink. So thank you guys so much for watching. Look below for any of the links that are in this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and you guys have a great day.